Before you even begin writing, you have to ask yourself, what does the question want me to do? You can highlight or underline key words in the question itself. Or just take notes on a separate sheet of paper. It doesn't really matter what you do, as long as you have some type of strategy to remember what you have to accomplish in your writing. Here are some key words you should definitely look out for in questions. Analyze. Discuss. Compare and contrast. Evaluate. Also, keep an eye out for words like explain, how, describe, and summarize. After you're sure you understand what the question is, move on to step 2, which is finding and reviewing resources on the question topic. If you're allowed, use your textbook, your notebook, your binder, or even search reliable sources online. After you've gathered enough information, move on to step 3, which is writing an opening statement. Your opening statement is 1 to 2 sentences with general information about your topic. Here's an example. The sample question is, how did the Hittite Empire compare in size to the Egyptian Empire around 1450 BCE? Which do you think was more advantageously situated? The sample opening statement here says, both the Hittite and Egyptian empires were civilizations which existed in the ancient Middle East. Although they occupied different locations, they both existed during a similar time period. After your opening statements, you're ready to write your thesis statement. Your thesis statement is a sentence that has the main focal point or the main topic of your essay. Here's an example. Here is the same sample answer from before, only with the thesis statement added in red. Both the Hittite and Egyptian empires were civilizations which existed in the ancient Middle East. Although they occupied different locations, they both existed during a similar time period. However, the Egyptian empire was larger and more advantageously situated than that of the Hittites. In an essay with a thesis statement such as this, you will have to prove in your body paragraphs that the ancient Egyptians had a more advantageous location than that of the Hittite Empire. When you're finished writing your introductory paragraph, always reread it to make sure that the purpose of your essay is crystal clear to the reader.